Here are 5 ways to get free fabrics. In this video, I'll teach you guys about 5 ways to get free fabrics. Yes, completely free, no cost at all. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm John, a graduated fashion designer with my own label. I decided to make this video because when I came out of college and I thought about creating my own wardrobe, creating a collection, I thought that buying fabrics would be easy. I thought it would be very, very cheap. To my surprise, fabrics are super expensive. In this video, I'll teach you 5 ways to get free fabrics. And stay until the end because number 5 will blow your mind. Without any hesitation, let's dive into number 1. Have you ever heard about Freecylcle? Freecylcle is a local-based community network that give away things for free that they no longer need. This is to promote reusing and reducing waste. All you have to do is search for one in your community, sign up, and that's it. Check with your neighbors. They might have some beautiful things that you can use in your next project. So how about number 2? Number 2, that's a tough one. Those are your local tailors, people who are already creating things. They might have scraps of fabrics laying around that they're no longer using and that they might consider waste, and they will be thinking about throwing it away. But for you, that's gold. I've done this ton of times. I've created upcycled denim jackets. I've created shorts from fabrics that my local tailors no longer needed. Number 3 is upcycle. This is my favorite. So upcycling can be done from anything. Upcycling can be done from your own closet. This is something that we often overlook. It is said that we have clothes enough for 6 generations. Think about that. For 6 generations, we have enough clothes. What does that mean? It means that we have too much clothes. Not only you, but also the people around you. So we can upcycle first from our own closets, creating beautiful, stunning things from what we already have. And if we don't, we can ask people around us. Which brings me to number 4. Number 4 is social media. Tap into your network, tap into social media, even put a shout out on Facebook asking to donate fabrics, but even clothes, because you can retransform your clothes, upcycle them to new ones. I have done this in the past. I was working on a project where I need tons and tons of denim. So I wrote a post on Facebook asking to my locals, to people around me, if they had any denim, old denim that they weren't using, telling them a little bit about my project, but also telling them how this will reduce waste. And to my surprise, a lot of people participated, even donating more than I needed. I still have denim laying around to this day. Look at all these denim. I got them for free. This works. So reach out to your neighbors, reach out to people around you, and they will have everything you need, which is completely free. So if you're still watching the video, I'm thanking you so much for watching. I enjoyed that there are people like me who are interested in fashion, interested in upcycling, interested in a circular world, trying to make this world a better place through sustainable fashion. So without hesitation, let's get to number 5. Number 5 is a real shocker, a shocker to me too. And the reason is because it's something that you would never expect. So a couple of months ago, I myself was on a fabric hunting journey, and I looked for stores around me to see if they had any leftovers. And in my neighborhood, there was a small boutique that sells female clothes. So I walked in, introduced myself to the owner, and asked if she had any fabrics laying around. I told her about my project and told her I was busy working on this upcycling project. Just graduated from fashion school and I'm looking to do something that's circular and sustainable. To my surprise, she went in the back, came back out with 2 big boxes filled to the brim. So she gave me and she was like, you can have these clothes. So I opened the box, looked in, and to my surprise, all the clothes were new with tags on them, everything. So I looked at her with confusion, like, why are you giving these away? Like, shouldn't you be selling them? And she told me, basically, these do not sell. These are the return clothing. It means that the the customer doesn't want them anymore. And she told me the reason. They have hole in them, misprints, misfits, whatever the case. They're returned and can no longer be sold. And I was like, jackpot. You know why? Because another man's waste is another man's treasure. To this day, I still have pieces of clothing that she gave me. Look at this right here. These are all donated. All. And these are all new too. So what I'm saying, they're treasures laying around you that you can only find if you seek. Like the Proverbs go, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be open. Look around you. There are tons of shops, tons of stores that are not selling their products, and they will happily give it away, because for them to go through the hassle of throwing it in the trash, sometimes that hurts. They don't want to do that. They rather give it to someone who will reuse them. Number 5 is a real deal. It's something that, as you can tell, helped me out in my process. Even to this day, I still get donations from that same shop. You have it, my 5 ways to get free fabrics. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now that you have the secret sauce of getting free fabrics, which of these will you try first? Comment below. I'm curious to see which of these worked for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm John Fitzgerald. I leave you with these 4 words. Be more, fear less. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy this one somewhere right here.